How's that, boys and girls? Not your mama's. I promise you, not your mama's grilled cheese. Welcome back to A Country Boy Can Cook. Glad you're in my kitchen. Today, grilled cheese. Yeah, and if you've watched any of my videos, you know I just can't leave well enough alone. So I'm gonna add taco meat to this grilled cheese in the center. So come on down, let me show you what I've got going. I've got some leftover taco meat here, down here so you can see it. And I just got it heated up on the grill. I had this the other day. I thought, oh, next time I do this, I need to share. It's really good and easy. And so I'm eating a little healthy, some whole wheat. So I'm going to take and just put a little bit of butter on the outside. After all, it is a grilled cheese, and here's how I do mine. I put the first piece where I buttered it down on top of this one. And it goes down on the grill. Keeps your hands from being quite so messy. This way. One more little bit of butter on this one. Oh, you can't see that one. Just a light covering so you can get the brining effect. Show you what's going on here. All right, let's see if it's just got a little crunch on this side. Let me lift it up better than that. Oh yeah. Grilled cheese has got to be crunchy on the outside. All right, let's add some cheese to this. 2 pieces of American, they're going to overlap in the center. American cheese melts so good. There you go, boys and girls. Let her finish cooking. You can see it doesn't take long for this cheese to be melting on that hot side there. So I'm going to put a cover on it. That'll help melt. It's got to be melted before I put my taco meat on it. All right, let's check and see if these are brown underneath. Oh yeah, perfect. So I'm going to add my taco meat. If you wanted it spicy, you could slice up some jalapenos and put on here. You could take it to a different level, totally different level. All right, let me kick some of this taco meat back up here. Don't want to lose any of it. That's good stuff there, boys and girls. If you ever fix tacos at the house and you have stuff left over, just put it in the freezer, put it in a Ziploc bag, thaw it out and use it like this, or put it with scrambled eggs. I'm going to mash it down there. Let me put the lid on here and spin it around here so it falls in the right direction. Yeah, it's hot, but I'm going to do it like this so I can get it laid up here perfect. And mash it down. See that, boys and girls? She's a thing of beauty. I'll leave her for about a minute. That cheese is going to start melting out the sides. Yum. All right. This dome is about an inch and a half tall, 2 inches. I put it on top of that burner. It's, it's hot underneath, and heated it up really good. and set it on top of my grilled cheese here. Oh yeah, the cheese is starting to melt really good. A few more minutes and I'll bring it off. All right, let's see if this baby's ready. Oh yeah, the cheese is melted in it. Let's put it on my cutting board here. I'm dying for a bite. Share this bite with y'all. God, it smells wonderful. All right, let's cut into this. Let's see. This way. Shoot, no, let's get it. Let's chef it up a little bit. Oh, I wish you could smell this. How's that, boys and girls? Not your mama's. I promise you, not your mama's grilled cheese. You gotta fix these. Especially if you've got a crowd, they will love them. There she is, boys and girls. Let's get a bite of this. I don't know if you can hear the crunch. Man. Double thumbs up. That's so good, it's sick, as the kids would say. Well, boys and girls, I'm going to finish my grilled cheese. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. As I'm talking and spilling out here, please subscribe, share, and comment. Please comment. That helps my YouTube know I'm here. And if you share my videos, that really helps. See y'all later. Old dude out of here.